Guys, this isn't just another Ford Raptor. This is what happens when every single detail is engineered to perfection. Today at Glossworx Customs, we're transforming an already incredible pickup into something truly special. Premium protection, premium sound, and premium stunts. Let's build the perfect Raptor. So the first was protecting this investment with a full matte paint protection film installation. Unlike vinyl paint protection, film doesn't just change the appearance. It protects the factory paint against stone chips, scratches, road debris, and UV damage while maintaining that aggressive satin finish. Every edge is wrapped with precision, giving the Raptor a factory quality finish that is built to last. So the stance is something different, and you must agree when you look at this pickup. It looks amazing, and I think it's all due to this beautiful 22-inch forged wheel wrapped in this Renegade tires that makes it look amazing. And once again, thank you to Shaylin and Auto Styling for this beautiful mag on this car. I think it looks super amazing, and it's forged, which makes all the difference. The combination completely transforms this truck. Luxury meets off-road capability, giving the Raptor an aggressive yet refined presence from every angle that you look at it. So it's always the small details that separate an average build from world-class builds. The factory wheel arches were color-coded in high gloss black, perfectly matching the mirror caps and the door handles. I think that adds such great detail when you look at it. The matte paint with the high gloss black, and when you look at high gloss black like this, if it's painted correctly, it almost looks OEM. Those contrasting finishes works beautiful against the matte body, I think, creating an OEM plus appearance that looks like it just left that factory room.
Another time of gold. 'Cause things that I can't say, I know that you don't say, and know that I can see. Another one night, I feel so right. I wanna be fine, always be this high. The night is not the same. I don't know what to do, and know which part to say. I feel the sunshine, I feel the golden light. Another one night, I feel so right. I wanna be fine, always be this time.
So guys, my favorite part. Now for what you can't always see, but you will never forget once you hear it. This Raptor received a complete Audison Vauxier sound system. Component speakers, coaxials, the subwoofer, the digital sound processor, everything in this car. And what makes it is the digital signal processor. This isn't about playing a louder sound system. It's about creating a sound stage that places every instrument exactly where it belongs. Crystal clear vocals, deep control bass, natural mid-range, the kind of sound quality that completely changes every drive. So this build proves that modifications don't need to scream for attention. When every detail is executed properly, the results definitely speaks for itself. Matte paint protection film, 22-inch AS forged wheels, all-terrain tires, gloss black exterior detailing to perfection, a full Audison Vauxier sound system. It's one complete package, one incredible Raptor, and you have to agree with that because this baby looks amazing. So guys, if this is your perfect idea of a Raptor, please let us know in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on them notifications, because we've gotten even more world-class builds coming soon and we'd like to share it with you guys. This is Glossworx Customs. My name is Mohammed, and until the next build, we see you guys again.